Hey, na Ekufuado. Na debate and answer quiz be by force. Aye, Bawumia pese one John Mahama quiz. Ana Mahama se onye. Ekufuado se Mahama stro. Osro, osro Bawumia nti no se quiz no onye. Na de Mahama kakra ahye Ekufuado ne se. O se Bawumia enye ne class. Ana Ekufuado su bisa sa class no kra no den. Class 1 or class 2? Class 1 one day when him cause class 1 nne say wo Mahama obia about 2 terms open na about 1 terms into wo class 1 into wo krampo nanka Bawumia krampo no nko nya classmate na so aba form so no ba be quiz na say wonya in fact Ekufuado akansem wa kansem na papa wo ya chimuni ampa he na say Ekufuado wo ano sa me pa cha monto mame sa time na oye Sunday ye hu sa na Addo wa ano sa we say na Addo a kire say obetime Teasin Mahama chese sun kra na obesu yehwe video no na afa nso no Mahama so reply o de aba no yemfa no nwoso ma na be se Bawumia so na munsuo mo kantamant ye campaign tin
Mahama so onye debate na enye china efise Bawumia enye ni tipen sa onye ni class me timi who class people we are you Mahama wo mu a Bawumia me who class ko but the class wa ko aminim class ba ko aminim you Mahama ewo mu class if it's time I say Fourth Republic 1993 nkofo enum ena Ghana fo ahye won enyonyam apagye won aba betina benwa kese ye kunwa kese ye president kunwa no so nkofo enum ba ko ede nyankopon amane kwa amane wie mane ena ofre no ba ne chen ye Professor Mills Iti 4 na kano. Nipa ba kupe. Ena Ghana for show na juma so on si debi. Ura. O de enso ani. Enko yie. Titase. It is say Ura Mahama also was class bia. Na yes a class of 1. Class of 1. No what's our classroom? And your class, I'm a person Bawumia about the casa classroom. The B. Bawumia, Yakupon, and Maquine, or Furconian 7th January, or better was review, or better full review. What about the car? Rollins, Kufu, enemy missile. Mahama, they are no 1-term presidents, there. No any about the Amai Bawumia. And it's a son of person. It's a class of 1 or woman. Ain't you know, to be Bawumia and a ponso and cassa. Well, na esonwara. You don't say. Yet Yasia so say class of 1 and so there. And ya the papa. Our only classmate. Presidential candidate, our only classmates. Uncle Nam. Yeah, no near between the Ababa Yajuma. Ghana phone the Madukuntia. A man here, Uncle Nam. A Juma obey no, and saw any. Anything a man a chance, no. Now I say, I feel the Aquafana baby. A day, yes, sir.
Let me take you down memory lane. In 1992, there was an election in America. It was between Bill Clinton and George Bush Sr. At that time, the American economy was in recession, the way the Ghanaian economy is in crisis today. And people were talking about immigration, talking about all kinds of useless things. You know what the Clinton people said? It is about the economy, stupid. Today, I'm repeating those words. This election is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many compost plants. Answer the 5 simple questions. And you can't hide behind the debate. You don't need the debate to answer the 5 questions. When you ask Emisata 170 questions, you did not agree to go and debate for him to answer them. Ghanaians are asking you 5 simple questions. Just answer them. Akufo-Addo too, I've given him 2 questions. He should come and answer them. That's all Ghanaians are looking for. You have destroyed the economy. That is the truth. Even if you look at the 50 questions he asked me, he has skillfully avoided the economy. There's nothing about the economy in those 50 questions. And that's why I gave you the 5th question. Why are you running away from economy? Because you were brought in to fix the economy. The economy is in a terrible state. Just answer the 5 questions I have asked you on behalf of the people of Ghana. Simple.
trendybeats.com.
Thank you for watching.